Another awesome way to sustain the spark from my visit to your school or organization is a kindness poster contest. And a school that I spoke at recently that just touched my heart through and through and just embraced this model of kindness, love, and peace to take it throughout their entire school was Whitmore Lake Elementary School here in Michigan. And what they did is they had every class, grades K through 6, and this can be at any grade level, right? They all did a kindness poster. And you got phrases like kindness matters, keep calm and kind, the world runs on kindness. These are just a few of the winners on this window. But as you move across the main entrance here of the school, you're going to see that they took it even a step further. I mean, just went all out. Kindness helps us grow. Kindness warms the heart. That the more that the students not only see these as a constant visual reminder, but actually own it and take part in, the culture of their school, that they can actually dictate basically how it's going to run. You almost start to create this positive peer pressure at your school where everybody's seeing this and everybody can't help but be kind. That kindness is contagious. And you're seeing even further down, everything is a choice. We can choose to be kind. That they ultimately know we always have this power to choose love and choose it over hatred, right? And finally, just the last couple of winners, I don't want to leave them out here, but just kindness makes the world a better place. This concept instilled not only at age 5 or 6, the kindergarten, all the way up to 6th grade, and then going into high school, to actually start planting these seeds and really start thinking about how our actions affect not only ourselves, how we treat ourselves and think about ourselves, talk to ourselves from the mind level, the heart level, but now we're actually starting to instill these awesome principles and values in these students that are gonna last entire lifetime, and just hopefully make this world truly a better place because of all the love and peace that they're going to keep bringing, and know the impact of their actions to change lives in just 2 seconds. Again, this is an excellent tool to bring to your school to keep spreading the peace. Please consider doing it. Peace.